Hey, this is Doug from Doug and NIKI, and in the background here you are watching me fly this new holystone drone. It's actually not new, it's from last year, but it was one of the top models from last year, and I thought I should get it and try it out, see if it still holds its value and it's still good. There are a lot of really cool things about this drone. Everything from gesture control to gravity control, all kinds of cool things, lots of features. So let's do this. Watch this video, which is going in the background, and then I'm gonna come back and give you a Doug score for 1 to 5, my review of how good I thought it was or wasn't, and I'll tell you why. And then if you're still interested in it and want to know more, I'll do the full unboxing, tell you all about the drone, all of its features, that kind of stuff, and hopefully that'll be helpful for you. But in the meantime, let's watch it fly. Okay, I don't know if you could tell by looking at it on the camera, but this drone is wet. That's right, I spazzed out while we were playing with it and took a dive in the pool, and I have to give it full props that I gave it full props, full power. It was like in the water and took right off, and it still flew. I flew it, exchanged batteries, flew it again. It's still wet and didn't even hesitate for one moment. So for that, I have to give it a 5 out of 5. Overall, though, I will say performance-wise, the camera worked great. I did have actually a little bit of a conflict. When I was running the app, it wouldn't take controls from the remote control, so I would have to shut down the app and just fly it with the remote control, or use the app and fly it using the app. Either one works. Trying to use the two together, not so good for me. So yeah, so I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. It's a little noisy, a little slow, but easy to control, fun to fly, definitely fun to fly, lots of value. I just can't give it a full 5 out of 5 on this one. Let's go do the unboxing and I'll talk to you about its features. Here we are, firmly in the past. I hope the flight was fun for you to watch. I hope the review was good. Obviously, you're still here to find out more about this drone. So let's do that for you. Let's take it out, see what it comes with, talk about it, and you can make a decision about what you want to do or not. So again, this is the Stone HS260, which was really one of the top drones from last year, which is why I wanted to get it and check it out, because I didn't have an opportunity last year. This drone, first off, like most Holystone drones, comes with a really nice case. This is kind of a hard case, which is pretty nice for travel and that kind of stuff. Again, travel-wise, look how small it is. It is a foldable drone. It is a 1080 camera, which is HD, not like 4K, but nice solid HD. I actually like 1080 a lot. It's like right in the middle. File sizes aren't huge. Image quality is still excellent. All right, I'm gonna wait for that stuff. Although you've seen it, I think I should make you wait to open that up. Let's see what we have here in terms of spares. We've got blades, a little bit of a tool there for you. Are these blade guards? Hold on a sec. What are these? Ooh, they are blade guards. How cool is that? Look, you got blade guards for it. I highly recommend, if you're gonna fly these things around in any kind of a controlled area where you can crash into something, use the blade guards. It's just easier. It doesn't inhibit the flight in any way, shape, or form. Here's the charger for the batteries and the instruction manual. You gotta read the instruction manuals. I'm telling you, somebody at the drone factory is like, ooh, let's mess with these people. Let's move this control. Just read them. They're all a little different. It makes life so much easier. Okay, so this is a nice small size battery, but you're supposed to get 15 minutes of flight time with that, which is really cool. So with the two batteries, you got a half-hour of flight time, which is totally reasonable. Enough time for you to start getting yourself into trouble because you're looking for new things to do. Here's the remote. Let me open that up for you. This is a classic, very standard remote. No fancy display or anything like that, but all the features are here. You can control it. You can adjust the speed up and down, start the camera, speed control, one-touch takeoff, everything's here. Totally normal, totally cool. And then finally, ooh, check this out. Okay, look how small that is. That is so cool. Okay, you unfold it. You're all ready to go. Does it have feet or not? No, this one just rests on the bottom. This, again, the second battery which comes with it. That is freaking cool. Okay, here's what it looks like. There's only one thing left for me to do. I haven't gotten to fly it yet. You guys saw it fly, so I'm gonna charge it up, go play with it, and I'm gonna put up the video so you can see that. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.